Welcome to today's tutorial on CSS. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you about the external CSS or external style sheet and how to link it. Okay, so previously when we started our CSS course, I made mention of the three ways which we can add CSS to our HTML code, or the three ways which we can reference our CSS to our HTML code. And one of the ways is the internal CSS, okay, which we do embed in the HTML file, okay, the one we've been using previously. And in this class now I'm going to talk about this external CSS. So I'm going to teach this external CSS in this class. Okay, so just know that anything external is not included in the in a particular file. Okay, rather it has its own file. Okay, that is why it is being called external. And here I say linked, meaning after creating the file, okay, you will now have to do to link it to your HTML file. Okay, so theory apart, let's go to practicalize this. So here, this is just a HTML file here that I just created, and here I just say linking external CSS. So let's create our CSS file here, and I'm going to name the file as let me say styling. Okay, and the extension for CSS is .css, just the way we have for HTML as .html. Okay, so here I just hit on the enter here. Okay, and we've created our CSS file. Okay, and now let me style this, and same way we do our styling before, we are just going to do same here. So here the selector P, and here I'm just going to change the color, okay, to red. Okay, and let me say background color to yellow. Okay, now you see that it's not affecting it. Okay, it's not affecting it. Okay, so what are we missing? We are missing the linking. Now if you check, you see where I put in bracket linked file. Okay, now we've not linked this our CSS to the HTML. And how do we link it? You just come under here. Let me see, after this title here, just say just type your link and rel, okay, equal to style sheet. Okay, to specify that is a style sheet document, style sheet that you are trying to link. Okay, now after that href, okay, then the path or the file name. Okay, and now the file name is index the file name is styling.css. Okay, so styling.cs. okay, let me do this so that when we just complete it, you are going to see the effect. Okay, styling.css. okay, now you can see, now close it. Now you can see that it now take the effect that we did. Okay, so now this styling, now this file here, we've linked it to this our HTML file here. Okay, so this is just how to, this line of code is just how to link your CSS style to your HTML after you've created the file. Okay, so any style you add here, any style you add in this file is going to affect the HTML here. So let me come here, let me say I have another p tag here, and let me say thanks for watching. Okay, now here let me give it a class, and let me say class, let me say first, let me come here and say class second. Okay, so yeah, let me say p dot first. Okay, yeah, let me say p dot second. Okay, now let me say color should be white, while background color should be navy. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so anything we style here is going to affect our HTML file. And to link it, this is just how to link the CSS, and make sure to include the file name. Okay, now peradventure this file is inside what, a folder. Okay, you should already know how to do this. If you don't know how to do that, I think you should go back to HTML, but I'm just going to give a grace. Okay, I'm just going to give a grace. So assuming I have a folder here, and the folder is what, CSS, let me say style folder. Okay, and inside this style folder here, that is where this my file is. Okay, as you can see, let me close it. Now you can see here is just only the index, and inside is my style folder, that is where the styling is. Now if you go back here, you see that the styling is no longer there. So make sure that you know how to link how to link. Okay, how to use this your links here. Okay, if you don't know how to use the href, just go back to HTML and check on that. Okay, but I'm just going to just do this. Okay, for okay, as grace. Okay, so here in your href, you specify the folder first, and the folder is what, style folder. Okay, then you put a forward slash and the file name now, and the file name is what, styling dot css. Okay, now you can see it, or you just go to the file directly and you right click, and you copy the relative path, and let me delete this, and you can now come here, right click in that in this place here, right click, then paste. Okay, now you can see either way it's going to what, either way is going to what, is going to work. Okay, so this is just how to do it. Now just take a good look once again. So this is just how to use the external CSS styling, okay, for your HTML code.